Properties of division.
Property number 1. If a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. For example, 141 divided by 1 is equal to 141. 1145 divided by 1 is equal to 1145. Property number 2. If a number other than 0 is divided by itself, the quotient will be 1. For example, 415 divided by 415 is equal to 1. 3168 divided by 3168 is equal to 1. Property number 3. If 0 is divided by a number other than 0, the quotient will be 0. For example, 0 divided by 305 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 1405 is equal to 0. Property number 4. In a division sum, the remainder is always smaller than the divisor. For example, 23 divided by 7. 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. So we will write 21 below 23 and subtract 21 from 23, which is equal to 2. We see that the remainder 2 is smaller than the divisor 7. Property number 5. Every division fact has 2 multiplication facts to verify it. For example, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 2 multiplication facts are 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12 and 4 multiplied by 3 is also equal to 12. Property number 6. The product of the divisor and the quotient added to the remainder is always equal to the dividend. Divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Note: always find the product first and then add the remainder. This helps us to check whether the division is done correct or not. For example, divide 45 by 7. As we know, 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 42. Now, subtract 42 from 45. We get 3 as the remainder. As 3 is less than 7, so no further division is possible. Let's verify the answer. We have to multiply divisor by quotient and add remainder to it. We have to multiply divisor by quotient and add remainder. It is equal to the dividend. Thus, 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 42. Add 42 and 3 is equal to 45. So the division is correct.
4-digit or 5-digit dividend and a 1-digit divisor. Let us divide 2712 by 5 and check answer. Step 1. We begin from left, that is, with thousands, where 2712 is dividend and 5 is divisor. 2 is less than the divisor 5. Therefore, we take the digits in thousands and hundreds place together. We get 2700s. Step 2. We divide 27 by 5. We know 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30, and 30 is greater than 27. 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25, and 25 is less than 27. So, we take 5 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 25, and write the quotient 5 in the column of hundreds, and 2 hundreds are left. Step 3. Now we write the next digit 1 of the dividend on the right of 2 as shown. Now we divide 21 tenths by 5. As we know, 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25, and 25 is greater than 21. Then we will multiply 5 with number less than 5, that is 4. So 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20, and 20 is less than 21. Therefore, we will write 20 below 21. Thus, we write quotient 4 in the column of tens and 1 10 is left. We write the digit 2 of the dividend on the right of 1. Now, we divide 12 ones by 5. 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. 15 is greater than 12. Then, we will multiply 5 with number less than 3. That is 2. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. And 10 is less than 12. We will write 10 below 12 and write the quotient 2 in the column of ones, and 2 ones are left. Thus, quotient is 542 and remainder is 2. Let's check the answer. Dividend is equal to quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder. 542 multiplied by 5 is equal to 2710 plus 2, which is equal to 2712.